Bharti. Yeah. And my answer, and I give the answer that the article the we use the before some. How can you say that some special means any powerful person or any powerful things or that's just like mountain or hills or God, yeah, just for.
But can you give any example of the with any person? Mahatma Gandhi was very great,
Yeah,
but
yes,
we
sir.
never use the.
No.
Jawaharlal Nehru, we never use the. Hitler, we never use the.
Yes, sir.
Sikandar, we never use the. They were powerful.
So I think, sir, if we can put article if the according to our own mind. If you want to
No,
put.
madam, if you put the article with Ramayana, I will
The
accept
Ramayana.
it. The Ramayana I have heard.
Huh.
The Mahabharata I have heard, I can accept. But I have never heard the Ram.
Okay.
The Pappu,
But
the
now-
Guddu,
now you will
the
hear, huh?
Munnu, like this.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Then they also heard like the president, the prime minister.
हाँ,
But we
the
cannot-
president is a post.
Okay.
But we cannot
Put article with person.
the Manmohan Singh.
The Manmohan Singh, we can never.
Okay.
The president we
It's my
can.
fault.
Ah.
We can say that.
So can you remove it?
Yeah, yes, sir. Of course,
I will be happy.
Yeah, because I was just little confused with Ram and Ravan that I have to put or not. But okay, after this, thank you for giving this information. And I will put.
You are always welcome.
Now, sir, can I ask?
Sergeant.
To you, sir.
See, here only questions
Yeah,
are
yes, sir. You
fifteen.
given power to me.
Ah.
That, if you have any problems, you have to ask to me, never to sir.
I am a student here.
Just
I am
like
playing
you,
the
just
role of
like
a
you.
student.
Ma'am, I'm having
5 months I have played the role of teacher. Now I am playing the role of a student. Right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I'm having one more question.
Yeah, of course.
Why have you not put ES in the main verb?
In the main verb, kills. Kills. Huh. It's a grammatical question. That's why you
Because
are
I'm having confusion, that's why.
Yeah. Okay. I will
Just
tell
a
you.
minute.
Yes.
Just stop it. Come again, please.
अपना जन्मदिन मनाओ पौधा लगाकर.
Thank you.
Okay, you have proved it that this which she was making as a passive voice, you have proved it as a be present sentence. So heads off for you.
Thanks, sir.
Ravan is killed.
Yeah.
It means we are not studying here passive voice. We are studying here the cheapest process which we are taught before be present.
Yeah.
So what was she teaching and what are you teaching here? Are you teaching B?
Yeah.
Are we present here to be taught B chapter?
It's like I think.
Not like.
Sir has given the name of passive voice, but it's a B chapter.
Definitely.
That means the B past and suppose it was here was. So it will be the past B past.
B past.
And will be killed means B future.
Okay, if there is ing, then be continuous.
Yeah, B continuous.
If there is a third form, double third form, it means the perfect, be perfect. My God, means you have just created the next history of English.
No, it's not be continued, not be.
Definitely, she is proving that. She is proving that if it can be a be present, if that was can be past, if that will be can be future. So why can't a continuous be continuous?
Condition be present continuous tense will come here.
Then you will change into
Be present.
okay. So that will be called be continuous.
No, be present.
Continuous will be exchanged into
Not
be
the
present.
else. Then be present.
Means
Because-
ing will be disappeared from there. Just think it about. Think it about. Okay, so please carry on your B.
Yeah. means we can call it
B
B chapter.
Yes,
Only
definitely.
Ravan is skill, no?
Huh?
Ravan is skill, just totals.
Get differentiating it is the passive voice or
No,
B
sir
chapter.
said
Here
that.
Your question.
she has just proved it that we are studying here passive voice. It's the sentence of B chapter. Because the third form works
Also.
as an adjective. There is a third form. There's again a third form of square. Okay, and that sentence belongs to
Be present.
B. So automatically it is going to be belonging to.
Be present.
So what was Sir going to teach us?
Be present. B chapter.
Definitely.
Be chapter.
So why did Sir display this sort of things that to do, to be done? What was all that?
To be.
B chapter.
B chapter. So why was this Adamba spread it?
It's a Maya of English.
Maya of English.
We can say the B chapter.
Don't you think it's not a Maya of English? It's a charisma of English.
Yeah, you can say.
Miracle of. Yeah. Many men, many minds.
But there's a view.
Yeah. No, but this is a idiom now. That's why I'm saying.
B?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so what is the identification of B?
Identification. The in the any sentence means last. In the last one, the identification is hai.
Repeat the question.
Should I start the process?
Why not? We can.
Speak confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the confidence.
Yeah.
Okay, first we.
now was in that process.
So from the starting.
हाँ.
Guys, how was your last class?
It was
so And have you questioned or not?
Yeah. So many questions.
And what's your teacher's name? Dolly.
Ma'am,
Actually, she didn't tell us.
So you should ask now. You should ask.
We know. We know already.
Okay. So should I start the process?
This one question is rest.
Raise your hand. This question is rest.
Yeah, how
You
many
are asked
times?
now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. How many guys were asked the question in the last class? Okay. So what sort of question have you asked?
You will start also and you can see.
No, I'm not
Question
asking
we are
about
asking-
myself. When I will start, then I can see.
Yeah.
But I don't know na, what was the question was going on over there.
When you will ask, no, different time or same, I
Which type
think.
of
actually, the question is depends on the condition.
Yeah,
Condition in the
Yeah,
sentence.
according to sentence.
It does not
depend
depend
on
on.
your teaching. Depend on your teaching.
No,
You ask
I'm
question.
asking about your previous teacher.
But she was good now.
Yeah, that. But this thing I'm asking.
Okay, she was good.
Yeah, sir.